Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to quickly sharpen a vegetable peeler. These are ubiquitous, very cheap, and I think for most people a throwaway item, but that's actually not necessary and they can be easily restored to a better than factory new condition. And to do that we either need some sandpaper, here a 220 grit and a piece of wood, just a small stick is enough. Or you can use one of the Lansky stones, and these are the ones I'm gonna use in this video. To start off, I covered my blades here in Sharpie. That makes finding the correct angle a lot easier. And then I'm just gonna take my Lansky stone, gonna support my left hand on there and then put my thumb under the blade so it doesn't fall over. And then just start following the angle that is already ground into the blade. So now let's look at the initial grind, and it looks very nice. We're taking away. To feel if you're ready, just go under here and feel if you have a burr on the other side. I have one in some parts, but not in others, so let's continue sharpening. Now that we are done with the first side, just repeat the same steps on the other side. Just make sure that you don't bump into the opposing blade with your sharpening stone, otherwise you're just gonna dull it back up again. At last, after we are done sharpening, we can remove the burr from the back side. Just, go a bit side to side with your sharpening stone, very lightly, and remove the little slivers of metal. And then you're done. And now you have your vegetable peeler restored, and I'm guaranteeing you it's gonna cut better than it did when it was new. That was it from this video. I hope you liked it and learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.